information about affair of a husband and attributes that lead to affair. A classification model will be built by the end of this project, and it will help in predicting affair of a husband. There are 8 attributes as input and 1 attribute as output. In this project, mainly focus will be made on feature selections. Feature selection approach which will help in determining which features are useful and which are not useful. Feature selections will help in reducing the dataset size, which will eventually improve performance of training model. As going to the project, first we need to load the dataset into the environment. As it follows, data types can be checked using dDataTypes function. As we can see, all these are numerical values. Decision tree only takes input numerical as input and predicts category or output value. For that, it is important to change output variable. Before that, we need to check for a null datasets, and using yes null we can see that there are no null sets in this dataset, which is a good. Then using lambda function, all attributes in FR will be changed into yes or no. A 1 means yes, and other than 1 means no. It will provide dataset as can be seen below, and dataset is successfully converted into numerical and categorical value. Then for training and testing model, we need to split the data. Using sklearn model selection, we'll split data into training and testing data. It is important to split the data because we can't use same data for training and testing. If we use same data, the model will be predicted using memory instead of decision rules. After splitting the data, we will import a decision tree from sklearn tree, and we will train the model using train data and test data. For checking accuracy, we need to predict using X testing data. Based on predicted value and actual value, we will predict the accuracy, which is 64.91. But it is low accuracy, but we can change it by using feature selections. We will use ANOVA test for feature selections. This will help in determining correlation between input variables and output variables. We will use sklearn feature selection, select k-best and s-classify. It is a score function. It is an activation function. We will import and activate this function. We will give extra and y data to this score function. Using this for loop, we will produce score of each feature, and we can see that the score of each feature as given in this array. Using graph, we can show score in graphical method and the picture, and it shows that first feature has high impact and output variables, followed by third one, and followed by fourth one and first one, and last 4 variables attributes doesn't show any impact on output. So for better performance, we will remove last 4 attributes. Using drum function, we will remove those attributes, and we will follow same process for splitting and training the data. And we can see that accuracy of the model increased by 5 to 6%. Yeah, it shows that feature selection is success for this model.